acidity of explain why benzoic acid is less acidic than orthopara nitrobenzoic acid. Okay, there is two structure. One is benzoic acid and other is orthopara nitrobenzoic acid. Okay, the previous lecture, according to acidity of carboxylic acid with the help of electron donating group and electron withdrawing group, it is directly effect on their acidity. It may be increases or it may be decreases. Okay, when COH group is present at meta position with respect to electron withdrawing group, the carboxylate anion of that acid gets stabilized by withdrawing electron from the ring carbon bearing carboxylate anion. Primarily by Banach effect, this sequence decrease in acidity is. Okay. काल मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं होतं की बेन्झोइक ऍसिड आणि अर्थोपॅरा डायनायट्रोबेन्झोइक ऍसिड, अर्थोपॅरा डायनायट्रोबेन्झोइक ऍसिड मध्ये दोन विथड्रॉइंग ग्रुप डायरेक्टली अर्थो आणि पॅरा पोझिशनला अटॅच असल्यामुळे ते स्ट्रॉंगली इलेक्ट्रॉन विथड्रॉ करतात बेन्झोइक ऍसिड कडून. त्यामुळे OH बॉन्ड जो आहे COOH चा जो OH बॉन्ड आहे तो OH बॉन्ड लवकर ब्रेक होतो. त्यामुळे तो अर्थोपॅरा बेन्झोइक ऍसिड हा इझिली प्रोटॉन देतो as compared to benzoic acid. Okay, म्हणून आपण म्हटलं benzoic acid is more acidic than, sorry, benzoic acid is less acidic than orthopara dinitrobenzoic acid. Okay, आता जर तोच नायट्रो ग्रुप मेटा पोझिशनला अटॅच असेल तर ते इलेक्ट्रॉनचं जे कॉन्जुगेशन आहे तर हे लिनियर किंवा ऍडजस्टंट सिंगल डबल नाही. ओके, त्यामुळं काय की मेटा पोझिशन जर नायट्रो ग्रुप अटॅच असेल तर ऍसिडिटीवर जास्त काही परिणाम होत नाही. सपोज आपल्याला दिले काही सिक्वेन्स ऑर्डर आपल्याला दिलेली आहे. यू सी सिक्वेन्स ऑर्डर, द लास्ट लाइन ऑफ दिस स्लाइड, अर्थो नायट्रोबेन्झोइक acid is more acidic than para-nitrobenzoic acid due to distance. Then ortho and para-dinitrobenzoic acid is more acidic as compared to meta-nitrobenzoic acid. All these three nitrobenzoic acid is more acidic as compared to benzoic acid. That is the correct sequence of acidity order. Okay. तुम्हाला एग्जाम मध्ये क्वेश्चन येईल, चूज द करेक्ट ऑर्डर ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सिक्वेन्स. MCQ मध्ये येईल, त्यामध्ये ABCD 4 पर्याय राहतील, तर आपल्याला करेक्ट ऑर्डर चॉईस करायची आहे. तर मित्रांनो, ऑर्थो नायट्रोबेन्झोइक ऍसिड इज मोर ऍसिडिक दॅन पॅरा नायट्रोबेन्झोइक ऍसिड. पॅरा नायट्रोबेन्झोइक ऍसिड इज मोर ऍसिडिक दॅन मेटा नायट्रोबेन्झोइक ऍसिड. And the weaker acid of this nitro series of benzoic acid is poor or weaker benzoic acid. Okay, this is the answer of this question. Then next question, explain why benzoic acid is more acidic than para-hydroxybenzoic acid. Okay, पहिल्या स्ट्रक्चर मध्ये आपल्याला नायट्रो ग्रुप होता, तो इलेक्ट्रॉन विथड्रॉइंग ग्रुप होता. आता या स्ट्रक्चर मध्ये आपल्याला जे दिले तो कुठला ग्रुप आहे, तर तो आहे हायड्रॉक्सिल ग्रुप, पॅरा हायड्रॉक्सीबेन्झोइक ऍसिड, म्हणजे तो इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप आहे. आणि आपण हेही पाहिलंच, इफ इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप आर प्रेझेंट, इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप आर प्रेझेंट on ortho and para position of benzoic acid, therefore the electron density increases on carbonyl carbon, therefore it's difficult to breaking of OH bond. Hence this OH, this hydrogen, this OH and hydrogen bond is difficult to breaking, therefore it is not acidic in nature. No doubt it is acid, but it is a weaker acid, it is a poor acidic in nature. Okay, like this way If electron withdrawing group are present, then acidity increases. Electron withdraw from the carbonyl compound. Okay, therefore, easily breaking of OH bond to formation of benzoate ion and H positive. Okay, it's easily formation. Therefore, if electron withdrawing group are present, therefore the acidity increases. Electron donating group are present at ortho and para position of the benzene ring or benzoic acid, then acidity decreases. Okay, this is questions are there. Why benzoic acid is more acidic than para-hydroxybenzoic acid? Okay, the reason is due to ortho-hydroxybenzoic acid is stronger than benzoic acid, which is due to ortho effect. Okay, hydroxyl group where strong inductive hydroxyl group close to carboxylate ion causes strong delocalization of negative charge of carboxylate anion. Okay, nearly all ortho substituents exert an effect of same type, that is acid strengthening, whether they are electron withdrawing or electron releasing, and the effect is unusually large. All orthosubstituent acid are stronger than para and meta substituent acid. Here, steric effect and hydrogen bonding are much more important than the other factor involved. This sequence decrease in their acidity. Okay. One more reason here, due to inductive effect. Okay, hydroxyl group of benzoic acid, OH is directly attached to adjacent carbon or ortho carbon of benzoic acid. It shows a plus M mesomeric effect as well as minus I inductive effect. Okay, but here plus M inductive effect is dominant to inductive effect over inductive effect. Okay, therefore, and intermolecular hydrogen bonding are present due to COOH group and hydroxyl group, hydroxyl of oxygen and COOH of hydrogen atom. They are interlinked with electrostatic force of attraction, that is the van der Waals forces, or like intermolecular hydrogen bonding are present. Therefore, the sequence of acidity as given below. Here, ortho-hydroxybenzoic acid is more acidic than meta-hydroxybenzoic acid, then benzoic acid, then hydroxybenzoic acid. Okay, this is the correct sequence order of benzoic acid containing OH group, ortho, para, and meta position. Okay. Then some preparation reactions are given below, and various type of acids, common name of acid are included in our syllabus. Let's start. The first acid named as oxalic acid. Okay. Oxalic acid, IUPAC name of oxalic acid is ethane 1,2-dioic acid or ethanedioic acid. Okay. The discovery of this acid in 1829, French chemist Gay-Lussac has discovered the isolation of oxalic acid from the sawdust with sodium hydroxide. Okay. It extracted from sawdust with sodium hydroxide. With the help of sodium hydroxide, it extracted the formation of sodium oxalate ion. This can be detected with the help of various detecting instrument. Okay. Oxalic acid occur in the wood sorrel and potassium hydrogen oxalate It is occur extensively in plant kingdom. Okay. All living organism made up of the all living organism occurred thousands of reaction in our body. Okay. All these things of matter is made up of hydrocarbon. Okay. Therefore, oxalic acid also is hydrocarbon which is occurred in wood squirrel as potassium hydrogen oxalate. Okay. It is occur extensively plant kingdom. Okay. This is present in plant kingdom also, wood, plants also. Directly oxalic acid is not occurred, but some ions like sodium oxalate, potassium oxalate, these are ions present. Okay. In our body, various amino acids are present. Okay. Near about 21 to 24 type of amino acids are present in our body, but they are interlinked with each other. Okay. At that time, the discovery or at that time, the study of this amino acid, they should be break at the breaking of amide linkage to separate the structure. Okay, ATP, ADP, all these things, adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine, all this is a, they are interlinked with each other. Okay, you know, DNA strand, A, adenine, link with thymine, guanine, link with cytosine. All these things, all these chemical structure, all these molecules, they are interlinked with other to formation of a body, to made up of a living organism. Okay. Then the preparation of oxalic acid. How to prepare oxalic acid synthetically? Okay. First is from ethylene glycol. How they are prepared oxalic acid from ethylene glycol, or what happen when ethylene glycol on oxidation, or to prepare oxalic acid from ethylene glycol or oxalic acid on oxidation, what happen? This type of number of questions are appear in your exam. Okay, first is by oxidation of ethylene glycol. Oxalic acid can be prepared by oxidation of ethylene glycol using chromic acid. Okay, you see, this is a reaction. Ethylene glycol, this is the structure of ethylene glycol. It's a common name. IUPAC name ethane 1,2-diol. Okay, ethylene glycol. Remember the structure. On oxidation, in presence of chromic acid or potassium dichromate with the help of H2SO4 to give a corresponding direct oxalic acid. Okay, water molecule as a side product. There is a first preparation reaction, oxidation of ethylene glycol. Okay, here primary alcohol is converted to COOH group. It is a over oxidation product. Partial oxidation, formation of a aldehyde. Then aldehyde further on oxidation with the help of K2CR2 with H2SO4 to formation of a acidic functional group. Okay, it's over oxidation product or final product. Then next preparation reaction with the help of hydrolysis of cyanogen. Okay, you know cyanogen, the structure of cyanogen is two cyanide link are interlinked with each other, like CS3 CS3. You know, two CS3 they are linked with each other to formation of ethane molecule. Like this way, two cyanide molecule, two cyanide atom, they are interlinked with each other to formation of cyanogen. Okay, this is cyanogen. Cyanogen which on acid hydrolysis. Okay, which on acid hydrolysis with liberation of ammonium hydroxide to formation of oxidation, to formation of oxalic acid. Okay. Then how two questions appear? To prepare oxalic acid from cyanogen. Then when cyanogen which on acid hydrolysis with the help of heat to formation of oxalic acid and ammonium hydroxide. There are the two preparation reactions of oxalic acid. Okay. Then next, this is preparation reaction. Then next, chemical reaction. यांच्यापासून आपण कोणकोणते प्रोडक्ट पॉसिबल आहेत किंवा कोणकोणते प्रोडक्ट आपण बनवू शकतो. फर्स्ट इज रिएक्शन विथ इथेनॉल. You know ethanol, C2H5OH or ethyl alcohol. Okay. When oxalic acid react with ethanol to give a corresponding ester, acid is converted to ester. Here you see oxalic acid on treatment with ethanol in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid or dihydrogen cyanide or carbon tetrachloride to give a two series of ester. Okay, what is two series of ester? Because oxalic acid contain two COH group. They are interlinked on two different carbon. They are interlinked on adjacent carbon atom. Okay, which are treated with alcohol. Then nucleophilic addition reaction occurred and liberation of water molecule to formation of a ester. Okay, first partial esterification reaction to formation of ethyl oxalate. Only one COH group is converted to ester group. Therefore, it is a ethyl oxalate. Concentrated H2SO4 to give C2H5OH. Okay. Here, over esterification, two COH group are converted to ester. It is the formation of diethyl oxalate. Okay. Direct conversion to diethyl oxalate also occurred. 2 moles of C2H5OH required some amount of H2SO4 to formation of diethyl oxalate. Okay, here two-step reaction, but you draw or you write in only single step also correct reaction. Okay, this is a oxalic acid is converted to diethyl oxalate. It's the first chemical reaction. Okay, then next reaction with ammonia. You know ammonia. The formula of ammonia is NH3. Okay. When oxalic acid is treated with ammonia, this ammonia, two lone pair of nitrogen atom on attack carbonyl carbon, nucleophilic attack on carbonyl carbon and liberation of OH minus, they will combine with H plus to formation of H2O. First of all, formation of ammonium oxalate ion. Okay, this is ammonium oxalate ion because ammonia incomplete their octet. 8 electrons are present in their octet, but 2 electron present. Non-bonded electron are present in this every nitrogen atom of ammonia. Okay, these nitrogen, the nature of ammonia is basic in nature. This is a simple acid-base reaction to formation of first ammonium oxalate under heating to formation of a oxamide. Okay, formation of a oxamide. After few seconds, this meeting automatically end. Don't again log in this meeting. Okay, thank you.